Oh, this is like puzzle. Is it? Oh, it is. Ooh. Oh, ho, ho. Okay. Look at these. Wowee. That is so nice. Oh, and it's a nice sturdy box too. Yeah, I'm really pleased with the quality of this box. Okay, love it. That's the box. So here are the cards, instruction cards. Read this card first and this card second. But they are nice, good quality cards. The thickness and durability is the same as popular trading card games. They just look so nice, don't they? This is a real product. This is the real deal. That's so good. These genuinely are beautiful. This is amazing. And it looks like a real game. I can't believe it's come out so good. The colours look so nice. Yeah, I'm really pleased with how this has come out. It just looks so, so good. If you want to get your hands on a copy of this beautiful game, go to chroniclesofthekingdom.co.uk, scroll down a tiny bit and there'll be a link to the Kickstarter. Click on Notify Me on launch. When that goes live, you'll be able to essentially pre-order a copy of these. Brings me to this. There will be a number of Kickstarter exclusive things that you can get your hand on. So this here is a mini expansion to the base game. So these are 3 cards which are not in the base game. So if you want to get hold of this mini expansion only available at the Kickstarter, then hit notify and you'll find out when they're available. There's a limited quantity of these, so if you want to make sure you get your hands on them, get your order in as soon as you can from when it launches. The first backers will get a free copy of this. And there's one other thing. The first backers of the Kickstarter will get this, and I will sign it. Yeah, just as a bit of a thank you for being one of the first backers of the game. Collector's item. That's what we've got. I'm beyond pleased with how these have turned out. If you head over to Kickstarter, hit notify, and hopefully you like what you see.